What's up, everyone? It's your boy David. You're killing it at work, but when you get home, you're too tired to cook and end up with takeout or, worse, that lone ketchup packet. It feels like you have to pick between your career and your health, but what if you could have fast, healthy, and seriously tasty meals that actually help you slim down? Forget bland salads. Think vibrant, quick Asian dishes you can make in less time than it takes to scroll Netflix. Today, I'm showing you 10 lightning-fast, flavor-packed Asian meals for busy professionals who want to lose weight without losing their sanity. Let's get started. First up, citrus shiso sardine onigiri, your new breakfast game changer. This isn't your average morning meal. It's a bold, energizing start that's as delicious as it is practical, and it's about to become your secret weapon for busy days. Sardines for breakfast? Trust me, this is a protein-packed, omega-3 rich onigiri you can prep in advance. Sardines are not only affordable and sustainable, but they're also loaded with nutrients that support brain power and keep you feeling full for hours. Mix cooked rice, flaked sardines, citrus zest, soy sauce, and chopped shiso. The combination is vibrant and aromatic, with the citrus lifting the flavors and the shiso adding a refreshing herbal note. Shape into triangles. Easy, portable, and perfect for eating on the go. You don't need any fancy tools, just your hands and a little bit of practice. The citrus and shiso cut through the richness, making every bite bright and fresh. It's a flavor combo that wakes up your taste buds and your mind. Wrap in nori or eat as is, one hand for breakfast, the other for emails. It's the ultimate multitasker's meal, letting you fuel up while you get a jump on your day. High protein keeps you full and focused, so you skip the office donuts. No sugar crash, just steady energy and a clear mind for whatever's on your to-do list. Make a batch on Sunday, grab and go all week. They store beautifully in the fridge, so you're always just seconds away from a nourishing meal. No more skipping breakfast or crashing mid-morning. With onigiri, you're set up for success, even on your busiest days. This is how you start your day like a boss. Organized, energized, and ready to take on anything that comes your way. Quick, satisfying, and you feel like you've got your life together, even if you're still in sweatpants. It's a small win that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. The onigiri hustle. Efficient, delicious, unstoppable. Breakfast just got a serious upgrade. Let's move to lunch. Say goodbye to the midday slump and reclaim your lunch break as a moment of renewal. Meet the Okinawa sweet potato and edamame power bowl, a vibrant, energizing meal designed to fuel your afternoon. Okinawan sweet potatoes aren't just beautiful, they're packed with fiber and antioxidants, helping to keep your energy steady and your mind sharp. Add a generous scoop of edamame for a boost of plant-based protein, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. Toss in colorful veggies like sweet, crunchy carrots, crisp cucumbers, and vibrant red cabbage for a bowl that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to your taste buds. Top it all off with a zesty miso ginger vinaigrette. Miso adds umami depth, ginger brings a gentle heat, and rice vinegar with sesame oil ties it all together for a flavor-packed finish. Prep all the components on the weekend, chop, cook, and store them in containers so you're ready for the week ahead. In the morning, just assemble your bowl in minutes. No stress, no mess. This bowl is nutrient-dense, filling, and keeps you focused and sharp through even the longest afternoon meetings. It's a rainbow of flavor and nutrition, helping you feel your best, and even fit into your favorite old jeans again. Forget heavy lunches that leave you sluggish and ready for a nap. Instead, enjoy clean, steady energy, and a lunch that's sure to make your co-workers a little envious. 5 minutes to assemble, and you'll reap the benefits all day long. More focus, better mood, and lasting satisfaction. Make this your secret weapon against the afternoon crash and power through your day with confidence. Healthy, beautiful, and totally satisfying, your lunchtime oasis awaits. Let's keep it moving. For those crazy busy days, meet ponzu turkey meatball lettuce cups, lean ground turkey, water chestnuts, ginger, garlic, and soy sauce. Mix form meatballs, bake or pan fry. Meal prep a batch for the week. Serve in crisp lettuce cups instead of bread. Fewer carbs, more crunch. Drizzle with tangy ponzu sauce and top with green onions. It's handheld, low-calorie, and high-protein, perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Satisfying like a burger but light and energizing. Assemble in minutes, eat with your hands and get back to work. No post-lunch slump, just pure flavor, fast, fresh, and guilt-free. Volume eating is the secret. Big portions, low calories. Enter the mung bean sprout and egg bibimbap-style bowl. Blanch a mountain of mung bean sprouts, virtually calorie-free, super filling. Top with a sunny side-up egg, the runny yolk becomes a natural creamy sauce. Add a quick gochujang sauce. Gochujang, sesame oil, rice vinegar. Mix it all together for a spicy, savory, satisfying meal. Add extra veggies if you want. Spinach, mushrooms, whatever's in the fridge. It's messy, delicious, and keeps you full for hours. Eat a huge bowl? Stay on track with your goals? The ultimate diet hack: more food, fewer calories. Next up, a salad that actually excites you. Tired of soggy, sad desk salads that leave you feeling uninspired and sluggish by midday? You're not alone. Most of us have settled for limp greens and bland dressings at our desks, wishing for something more exciting and nourishing. It's time to upgrade your lunch routine with the pineapple turmeric prawn salad jar, a vibrant, flavor-packed meal that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your body. Start by whisking together a zesty pineapple turmeric vinaigrette. This golden dressing combines pineapple juice, turmeric, fresh ginger, and a squeeze of lime, creating a tangy, anti-inflammatory base that wakes up your palate and supports your health. Next, add a hearty layer of cooked prawns for lean protein, along with quinoa, or brown rice for lasting energy, and juicy pineapple chunks for a burst of natural sweetness and vitamin C. Then, pile on a colorful mix of crunchy veggies. Think crisp bell peppers, shredded carrots, and protein-rich edamame. These add texture, fiber, and a rainbow of nutrients to your jar. Finish with a generous handful of fresh leafy greens, like spinach or arugula, right on top. This keeps them crisp and fresh until you're ready to eat. When lunchtime hits, just shake the jar to coat every ingredient in that golden, anti-inflammatory dressing. Each bite is bursting with flavor and nutrition. This salad jar is portable, vibrant, and absolutely packed with lean protein, fiber, and antioxidants to keep you energized all afternoon. Prep several jars at once and store them in your fridge for the week. Just grab one each morning and you're set. No more last-minute lunch stress. Say goodbye to boring, wilted salads. Enjoy fresh, tropical flavors and serious nutrition that will make you look forward to lunch every day. These salad jars are Instagram-worthy, but even better to eat. Healthy, effortless, and delicious. Let's get even lighter with your next meal. Want something elegant and effortless? Try Kanbu steamed white fish packets. Lay rehydrated kanbu on parchment, top with white fish fillet. Add ginger, shiitake mushrooms, green onion, maybe a splash of soy or sake. Fold into a packet, bake or steam for 10-15 minutes. The kanbu infuses the fish with deep umami, no oil needed. Open the packet for a burst of aroma and perfectly moist fish. Serve with steamed veggies or a little rice. It's clean, luxurious, and takes almost no time. Healthy eating doesn't get easier or tastier. Now, let's tackle those takeout cravings. Craving takeout. Make black vinegar chicken and snap peas stir-fry. Chinese black vinegar brings deep, tangy flavor. No need for sugar or heavy oil. Stir-fry thin-sliced chicken with a touch of oil. Toss in snap peas for crunch. Mix black vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a bit of cornstarch for a glossy sauce. Pour over chicken and veggies. Done in minutes. Serve over cauliflower rice for a low-carb meal. All the flavor, none of the guilt. Fast, fresh, and totally satisfying. Takeout, upgraded. For a gut-friendly plant-based meal, try sesame-cured tofu and pickled daikon bowl. Press and marinate tofu in sesame oil, soy and rice vinegar. Eat cold or pan-fried. Add tangy, crunchy pickled daikon for probiotics and zing. Build your bowl with greens, soba noodles or quinoa. Top with tofu, daikon, cucumber, edamame, and sesame seeds. It's light, refreshing, and packed with plant protein. Supports digestion and weight loss. Meal prep friendly and endlessly customizable. Clean, zesty, and satisfying. Let's turn up the heat. Love spice? Szechuan lemon beef. Slivers over cauliflower rice is your new favorite. Toast and grind. Szechuan peppercorns for that signature numbing heat. Stir-fry thin-sliced lean beef with chilies, garlic, and ginger. Super fast. Finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Serve over cauliflower rice for a low-carb, high-protein meal. The mala spice and citrus wake up your taste buds and metabolism. Big flavor, minimal calories. Satisfying, exciting, and perfect for weight loss. No bland food here, just bold, spicy, and delicious. You can eat well and torch calories at the same time. Ready for dessert? Let's do it. Yes, you can have dessert. Try matcha coconut chia pudding with fresh yuzu, chia seeds, light coconut milk, matcha powder, and a touch of sweetener. Mix and chill. The chia thickens into a creamy, fiber-rich pudding. Matcha adds antioxidants and a gentle metabolism boost. Top with fresh yuzu zest, or segments for a citrusy, floral finish. It's grab and go, keeps you full, and satisfies your sweet tooth. Perfect for breakfast, snack, or dessert. Meal prep in minutes. Enjoy all week. Healthy, indulgent, and totally guilt-free. Dessert, redefined. That's 10 fast, healthy, and delicious Asian meals. No flavor sacrificed. From onigiri to spicy Szechuan beef, you've got options for every craving and schedule. These aren't diet foods. They're smart, crave-worthy meals for busy lives. Prep ahead, eat well, and stay on track. If you love these, hit like, subscribe to SlimSync, and turn on notifications for more. Drop a comment with your favorite recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.